Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video I will be making some cow foot and broad beans. So I've already washed my cow foot. It's about 5 pounds, and I have all my seasonings here ready to go. I will go in first with my marinade, command teriyaki marinade and sauce. I've already washed the cow foot with some white vinegar and cleaned it. So tablespoon of Maggie seasoning, top seasonal, some good sazan. I'm going to go in with the whole packet because it's 5 pounds. I have ground pimento, a teaspoon. About a tablespoon. Okay, also black pepper. Half a tablespoon of black pepper. Scotch bonnet powder. Because I just have habanero pepper. I don't have Scotch bonnet pepper, so I go with the Scotch bonnet powder. And I'm going to put some oxtail seasoning on the cow foot. I'm going with a tablespoon. And the brand is Sana Spices. I'm gonna go in with a teaspoon of jerk seasoning. Here I have the natural seasoning. I have some ginger, scallion, thyme, onion, and habanero pepper. Garlic is also there. So I'm gonna do a half of this so that when it's almost finished cooking, I'll add the rest. So I'm just gonna add a half of everything. Because I know I brown my cow foot before I cook it. I don't just put it in the pot and boil it. You can do that too. So not gonna knock you for that one. And I have some ginger. And the thyme, I'll just use the whole of that thyme, and then I'll just get some more later. I'm just gonna rub everything together. I like to rub in the season well because it's not pre-seasoned like overnight, so it's not marinated. So I just like to rub it to get everything in. Smells real good. Back in Jamaica, I never eat cow foot. I never liked cow foot. I never liked cow skin. But coming here, and all you have is chicken most of the times. I started trying it, and you just cook it the way you like it. So yeah. Cook it to taste. You can make it tasty. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave this and let it sit for about 30 minutes to let the season set in a little, and then I'll just put it on the stove to burn it when I'm... Hey guys, welcome back. I will be adding some vegetable oil to the pot for the cow foot to brown the cow foot, vegetable oil. Not too much. That's about maybe 4 tablespoons. About 30 minutes. So I'm gonna have it, increase the heat and add it to the oil when it's hot. Hey guys, at this point I'm going to add about 2 cups of boiling water, and then I'm going to stir a little. Reduce the heat, and then I'm going to cover the pot. At this point it was cooking for about 15 minutes. Then I'm going to add some water on the top, because this hot water you can use it to cook the meat also. So while the meat is cooking, the water is heating up. So 45 minutes later. This one I have no boiling water. Then it's 2 hours and 45 minutes, 4 hours and 45 minutes later. And I'm still at it with this cow foot, but as you can see, it's almost in the end. So I'm gonna add the natural seasoning. I just added some jerk seasoning, and then I'm going to just add the natural seasoning and a broad can of butter bean. So I have a can of Caribbean Rhythms butter bean. Some natural seasoning, some onion, garlic, ginger, and scallion, pepper, tablespoon of butter, whole habanero pepper, I'm gonna stir it. Alright guys, I'm going to reduce the heat and allow this to simmer. When I come back it should be ready for consumption. Hey guys, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching.